How to change Instagram music length. So if you want to change your music length on your Instagram stories or your post, then first of all you have to open up your Instagram application, and here after opening your Instagram you will have a story icon which is on the upper left corner. You can simply tap on your story, and from here it will take you to your galleries or your photos. So you can simply choose any one of the photo that you would like, and after choosing the photo now, or after choosing the story, now you can go to the upper right corner and you will have a bunch of options. You can simply tap on stickers, which is on the middle option, that is third option. You can simply tap on that, and from here you will have a music option, right? Tap on music, and then you can simply choose any one of the music that you would like. Now after choosing the music, now if you want to change the length of the music, then on the bottom left corner you will have a circle in which you will have 15 written on it. You can simply tap on that. So this is the clip duration. So if you want to change that, you can simply scroll downwards and then you can choose any seconds that you would like. And if you want to put that to 13 seconds, you can simply tap on 13, or you can go to 10, and then after doing that you can simply tap on done, which is on the bottom of your screen. So that's it. That's how you crop, or that's how you minimize your songs in your Instagram stories, or that's how you change the length of your music on Instagram stories. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.